delicious Thai food for you.
Hello, we are here again. I'm Maya and she's Alice, and this is our second episode of Cooking with Alice. The first one was recorded in Italian, but this time we are going to speak English so Alice can speak more. And today we are cooking, what are we cooking?
Today we are cooking Massaman beef with beef. Normally we cook with that chicken just because of the time of cooking. But because today we decide to record and make this video and to share it with you, so I think maybe we try something different. So we try beef today.
I'm very happy because I like chicken, but I like beef more. If you don't find coconut milk and cream at the market like Alice did, you can just go to 7-Eleven or supermarket and buy this coconut milk. So first, Alice, what are you doing?
I will boil beef with coconut milk.
Okay, how long do we have to boil it for?
This will be a little bit long, between 40 to 1 hour.
Wow, okay.
Because we need to make sure that the beef is really soft. So if you don't have coconut milk, actually you can just boil with water. Today I will mix with some water because the point is we need to make it quite soft.
So it's about half a liter, like 2 or 3 glasses of water and the coconut milk.
Yes.
Okay. The beef is in our pot with the coconut milk, so now we have to cook it between 40 minutes and 50 minutes or maximum 1 hour. What are you doing now?
Eating peanuts.
Why? We need them for our recipe.
Because I didn't have anything to do. We are waiting for the beef to be boiled.
Not good. Okay, so the beef has been cooking for almost 1 hour and we are ready for the next step of the recipe. Here we have another pan and kind of a wok pan, and we are going to make curry. So Alice is ready. Let's go.
Okay, so now we will put the coconut cream in the wok. We will heat it up until we can see the oil of the coconut. Once we see the oil of the coconut, then we put the Massaman Curry.
So the coconut like oil is starting to separate from the, let's say, the milk, the cream. So Alice is ready to put the curry, the Massaman curry paste. And the smell is so good. I already know.
We have a 1 kilo of the beef.
It smells so good.
And you see, this is the oil. You see?
Ah, yes. Yes. I'm very, very happy for that the dinner is almost ready. And one other thing I want to say is there are too many people eating this massaman. It should be just for me because I am the foreigner. And
Now we will put all the beef in here.
And so yeah, it was 1 kilo of beef, right?
Yes, this is 1 kilo. So I hope enough for us all. Now I will keep stirring a little bit just to make sure that the massaman paste is all over the beef. Now I will put coconut milk in the pot. I will keep it to clean this after I move this to the pot. You will see all of this I really love of onion paste. So what I gonna do is I will put the rest of the coconut milk in here. Or if you finish the coconut milk, you just put water. It's fine. Then you just clean your wok. I like to make sure that everything goes to that pot. Move like this. Next we will put the potatoes and the onion.
So we are cutting potatoes, and we are cutting the potatoes quite small pieces. You can actually choose to cut like bigger pieces, but it will take more for
more
cooking.
time.
So that's why we are chose to make it like small. It's time to put the potatoes inside our Massaman beef Massaman curry, and yeah, the pieces are like this size, so it will be faster to cook.
How is it?
This is the best part. I'm doing it for my nose. It's like a medicine. But I'm not full yet. And we are ready for onions. So let's add onions to our curry. And here we go. Mix. That's it.
So now we just wait until the curry boiling again, and after that we will come back to do the seasoning part. Now is the seasoning part. This is fish sauce or nam pla.
It's enough.
Oh, 1 kilo.
Okay, I trust you because last time it was very good. So.
I put palm sugar.
As you can see, Thai cuisine doesn't use sugar at all. Just 1 kilo per recipe all the time.
Okay, that's all. Now this is the tamarind sauce.
More sugar.
This is sour.
Sour. Okay, no.
Now it's time to let potatoes and onions to really soft. Okay. Probably about 15 to 20 minutes, I would say.
Okay. Okay, we are almost done. The last part is we have to add nuts. So it can be only cashew nuts, it can be peanuts, it can be a mix. What we are doing is adding a mix. I won't add all, but just let's say half. Okay, like this is okay. And I think like 5 minutes, 10 minutes more, and it's ready. Stop eating! What are you eating now? Why are you eating one of my potatoes?
Just to make sure it's already soft.
Always excuses. How is it? You got what you deserve. Funny.
It's good.
It's good. What? How is your tongue? So Alice, our Massaman beef curry is ready, and you were the chef. Now you have to try and tell me the score.
No, I cook it, so thou should give the score.
Okay, you try. I want to see your face then.
It smells
Okay,
really good.
let's go. Okay, your face is satisfied. Dao, your turn.
First, let me smell. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay, very good.
Very good.
Pluto, do you want to try? Pluto is eating orecchiette with sausage and tomato. How is it?
And made by me. Cooked
Made by Alice. Made by Alice.
11 out of 11.
Okay. And Carla? You are still eating orecchiette. Okay, I will wait for your Massaman later. Okay.
Very Italian food.
So this part will be in Italian, just a short part in Italian because it's for an Italian friend who I'm not sure he will speak English, he speaks it. So, in italiano, siamo arrivati alla fine, stiamo mangiando il Massaman con la carne, col beef, e due cose non devono mancare per me: il riso, che è Thai, e il vino, che è cileno. Però in tuo onore stasera abbiamo il pane. È pane in cassetta, ma è fatto in casa da Alice, dalla cuoca. Quindi ora farò la scarpetta in tuo onore. Scarpetta. Ok. Ed è comunque buonissimo. Ciao!